Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, vibrant, and ready to take on the day, regardless of your age. Now, what if I told you that a simple addition to your daily routine could help you achieve just that? Today, we're going to explore the top 5 herbs that every woman over 40 should use daily. These powerhouse herbs not only support your health, but they also enhance your overall well being as you navigate through this exciting stage of life. As women, we often juggle multiple roles career, family, and personal aspirations. And with that comes unique health challenges. Incorporating the right herbs can provide the support we need to thrive. Let's talk about the first herb, ashwagandha. This ancient herb has a reputation for reducing stress and anxiety. Imagine coming home after a long day feeling frazzled and overwhelmed. Just a small dose of ashwagandha can help you unwind, allowing you to relax and reconnect with loved ones. Curious about what's next? You won't want to miss number 3 on our list. Next up is turmeric. Known for its immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric is like a kitchen superhero. Picture this. After a long week, your body feels achy and tired. A warm cup of turmeric tea can work wonders, easing your discomfort and rejuvenating your spirit. But wait, there's more. Have you heard of fenugreek? This lesser-known herb is packed with nutrients that support hormonal balance, especially during menopause. It's amazing how something so simple can make a huge difference in your life. Imagine feeling more balanced and in control of your body during this transitional phase. Curious about our next herb? Stay tuned, because you won't believe how easy it is to harness the power of sage. And here we go with sage. Not only does it add flavor to your dishes, but it's also a fabulous ally for brain health. Imagine enjoying a delicious meal that also boosts your memory and keeps your mind sharp. Incorporating sage into your meals is a delicious way to promote cognitive function. Lastly, let's talk about ginger. This vibrant root is famous for aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. Remember that time you indulged a bit too much at dinner? A warm ginger tea afterward can be just the remedy you need to feel your best again. So there you have it, the top 5 herbs every woman over 40 should use daily. Ashwagandha, turmeric, fenugreek, sage, and ginger. Each of these herbs offers unique benefits that can significantly enhance your quality of life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and share your own experiences with herbs in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. Your journey could inspire someone else. And if you want to continue learning about health and wellness, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more engaging content tailored to your health needs. Thank you for watching. Embrace these herbs, and here's to a healthier, happier you.